Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Alliz Creative Designs. Thank you for tuning in. Gwaan people, here is where the world of creativity is activated. On my channel, I will share tutorials on how to make several items by yourselves. Every week, we will embark on a journey to complete various projects. These projects include crochet pieces, home decor, and garden DIY projects. Example, I will teach you how to make your own crochet bathing suits, headrests for your vehicle seats, tablecloth, and other items for your houses, female bags and purses, dresses, etc. Please comment below and let me know some of the content you would like to see. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.